Let's see how to record using Hollyland Lark A1 microphone. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way is if you want to record the audio only using the mic, I show you. Then second, how you need to record both audio and video on the same device. For now, I'm using iPhone 17. It's pretty much same process for all model iPhone and iPads, and Android also almost same process. So just watch this video till end. First, you just take the receiver and connect this on your iPhone. Okay, it's blinking. So the receiver is connected, and take the microphone from dock. It's turned on. If you want to turn on noise cancellation, single time press like this. The green light indicates it's turned on. Now just open the voice memo app and start record. Hey everyone, so here you can clearly see the noise recording is working. The straight line indicates the noise recording is working. Hey everyone, so here you can clearly see. So this is how you need to record audio. If you want to record both audio and video, you just head to App Store and type Blackmagic Camera just like that and install this app. Just open the app and tap allow for all these options. Okay, now you come to this page. Here you can change the settings if you wish. We have plenty of options here. So then the main thing is you need to click settings icon, the gear icon, and scroll down. And under audio, you can see this option audio source. You need to open this. In default, it will be selected to iPhone microphone. You just change this to wireless microphone. It's done. Back, and you can choose the format, audio format. And here you can change the resolution, 4K HD or file type. We have all those options. And just come to camera, switch to video, and just hit record. Hey everyone. This is a testing video for both audio and video. I hope this will work. After that, you just tap save and click media. Here you can see the video. Just open the video. Click the share option and click save video. Now it will save it to Photos app. Again click that and save to files. Save. So this will directly save it to Files app. I show you on Files app only. Just open Files app. Here it is. Record. Hey everyone, this is a testing video for both audio and video. I hope this will work. You can clearly hear the audio. There is no background noise. So it clearly proves it's working. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Hollyland Lark A1 microphone, you need to watch this playlist.